Bricks, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick, brick pam brick, brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food, Spanish town, foreign account.
What's up guys, you don't know Shickaa Chung. I am back at it again with another video. In today's video, it's gonna be kind of different, not really my theme of video, not Jamaica related, but I felt like I should have done this because I'm so excited, even though this, you guys will know what I'm doing by in the title, but this what I'm doing is like, it's funny because let me tell you guys a joke. This thing first came out, I'm like, yo, that's so stupid. What's the point of it?
What's the point of it, right?
What's the point of having earphones where like it's just in your ear? It's gonna drop out. I'm gonna lose it, you know? But the reason why I'm excited is because I actually had experience with the fake ones, and you know, I kind of thought it was nice, even though sometimes when I'm walking on the road, like I feel like I look like an idiot if I'm just talking on the phone and like no one knows who I'm talking to because they can't see the piece of wire coming from my ear. But you know what, a lot of people have it, so I guess a lot of people realize that, you know, people wear earphones and they're probably on the phone when they look like they're talking to nobody, right? And also I'm excited because this product was free, and let me just tell you guys the product. Even though you guys see it in the title, I got the AirPods. I don't even know which one it is. I'm pretty sure it's just the basic one, the Apple AirPods with a charger thing, whatever,
Case holder, whatever.
But I'm excited because this was free, because I bought a MacBook with education pricing and they were offering free AirPods, so it came today. I didn't even open it yet. You guys can see the seal, it's still sealed. The lighting is kind of weird, but it's still sealed. I said I was gonna make this video and I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys, so let's get into it. Got my trusty scissors. Woo! Got my trusty scissors. These scissors are not even sharp. I hope it can open, but let's see where I can open this now. All right, let me go right here. So, Lord Jesus, man, let me step up myself. Boy. Okay. Interesting. I'm just gonna bust this out of here because it doesn't make sense. And when I tell you that, so it was UPS that delivered this, and I feel like products like this, they need to get like a signature from the person that's at the house, because suppose they delivered this to like a wrong house and they just left it at the door. Suppose someone came and come thief or something, like I feel like they need to get signatures for these products. Like the man just, it sounded like the man even threw the box at the door, bro.
Brick, have a brick, hold a brick, hey!
Doesn't make sense. Anyways guys, so here is my new Apple AirPods. I don't know why the lighting looks so bad, guys. Let me just try and adjust this right now. Okay, you guys can see it. I had to stand up for you guys. And that's how it looks. Apple, brand new. Ooh. So excited. So I'm just gonna pull this product, or pull it out of the packaging. I feel like one of those people that like does unboxing for a living on YouTube, you know? I'm trying to be careful, but it doesn't even make sense, but it's gonna be ripped anyways. Nice. So it comes in the trusty Apple box, you know, that smooth, nice box. It just tells you all the details of what's in here. So it says there's AirPods in here, and it comes with a charging case, and I'm pretty sure it comes with like the Apple wire, which it is showing right here, and the AirPods of course. So let's just pop this open, show it to you guys. Let me just adjust this. So all right. Yo, why did I think that the iPod was gonna be right on top? Don't kill me. It says designed by Apple in California. All right. And now this should be, you know. Oh, this is the manual. Anyways, forget the manual. Oh, AirPods in the case. So I'm just taking it out. You guys can tell that I'm so excited. I have the bootleg ones, and bro, they keep dropping out my ear and they keep breaking when they drop. Like, so I'm happy to have this one. So this is it. Has the plastic. This is the back. It looked like there's a button, but let me just pop off the plastic. Nice. So let's just look at how the outside looks. So there is a button back there. Can you guys see it? There is a charging port, which would be the original Apple charger, lightning cord, or whatever you guys want to call it. Guys, I'm not a tech person, so lightning cord, Apple charger. And then when I open it, earbuds. Nice. So, ooh, there's a light blinking on it. I guess it's like, yo, you activated it. I don't know if you guys can see the light blinking, but there's a light blinking for my right ear. Let's see if it fits in my ears, because guys, I have some tiny ear hole. I don't understand why it's so tiny, but let's see. Alright, that fits nice. This is the left ear. Nice, they feel comfy. They feel well comfortable. Let me just put them back in the box. Oh, there's a green light flashing. I guess it's saying that I put in the earphone. And the inside is magnetized, so like as I like drop the earphone in, it just like connects back to the box. So that's nice. The other ones that I have, like I literally have to push it down. If I don't push it down enough, it does not charge or whatever. So let's go in here. Ooh. So in here I got the lightning charging cable. Thank you God, now I have two in case my other one for my phone breaks. At least I have this as a backup. So let's just pull that off. Nice. All right, here is my cord. This look like it's a simple like what would this be, 3 foot cord or 4 foot? I think it's 3 foot. Yeah, my card. Let me read the manual. Should I read the manual? Let me just skim over it. I'm pretty sure this is gonna come with some stickers, because you know Apple loves to send stickers. Let's see. Interesting. So it just tells you like how to connect to your iPhone, your iOS. To do this. It says open case, hold near unlocked iPhone. So I guess you would have to do this through your iPhone. So guys, anybody, do you guys know if this is only allowed to use with Apple products? Like, can it be used with Android? If you guys know, just let me know in the comments. Yeah, this is just telling me how to connect it to my phone, how to charge it, which I'm pretty sure I know what to do. These are like the safety. Who really reads this? Although, guys, it's in there for a reason. Read it. And I'm surprised they never gave me no stickers. Like, what my stickers them there?
No want my stickers.
Anyways, guys, I'm so excited to use this. I'm not really gonna make a connection video of how I connect it to my iPhone, but because this is just an unboxing video. But yeah, I'm so glad to use my AirPods, or to receive my AirPods, and hopefully this works out for me. I hope I don't break them. I hope I don't lose them. Yeah, I hope I don't mix them up with my friends' ones, because I have friends that have AirPods too, and they come to my house and they leave them on, you know, the dresser or my bed, and I do the same thing with my stuff. So I hope that we do not get them mixed up. Yes, guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you share it with your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your everybody. And make sure you check out my other video them, and stay tuned.